In just 2 years, Tesla's Optimus robot has gone through 3 major design revisions and 4 hand upgrades, transforming it into a cutting-edge humanoid machine. Optimus is now a familiar sight in Tesla's offices and labs, where it autonomously navigates and performs tasks every day with remarkable precision. Even more impressive, Optimus robots have already been deployed inside Tesla factories, autonomously handling complex operations that were once reserved for human workers. As of now, Elon is confident that Optimus is nearly perfect, with a latency of only 20 milliseconds. That is 10 times faster than human reaction speed and about 2.5 times faster than that of Boston Dynamics. So how far can this technology actually go, and what is the next breakthrough for Optimus? Let us start with operating time. Optimus is equipped with a 3 kW 52-volt battery, which allows it to work for a staggering 23 hours straight on a single charge. Compare that to other humanoid robots that tap out after just 4 to 8 hours, and it is clear that Optimus is in a league of its own. Most competitors will cost you a huge fortune for a very short stint of work. Around 150 grand for a Boston Dynamics Atlas, or a jaw-dropping $250,000 for the Agility Robotics Cassie. And you only get about 1.5 to 2 hours of action from them. Meanwhile, with Optimus, you are looking at under 20 grand for almost a full day's worth of work. So tell me, what sounds like the better deal to you? Now let us talk about brains. Optimus has its smarts packed right into its chest, where Tesla's custom-designed system on a chip lives. This little powerhouse is basically the same computer found in Tesla's self-driving cars. It connects via Wi-Fi and even LTE, processing visual data from the cameras in its head and sensory input from its fingers to make real-time decisions. Yes, you heard that right. It is not just following a script. It is thinking on its feet thanks to neural network training. And just like Tesla's cars, this machine has a built-in battery management system that handles everything from charging to power distribution to keep it running efficiently and safely. Things really get interesting when things get hot. Optimus is not just smart, it is also fast. With advanced AI, Optimus is 30% faster at completing tasks, meaning it pushes out more work in less time. This is not speed for the sake of speed. It truly matters when you rely on this robot to stay active all day long. You get more productivity for your money, especially when Optimus works alongside humans in a production environment, boosting efficiency by up to 40%. Imagine having this machine in your factory or warehouse. Suddenly, you are working smarter, not harder. The power management system inside Optimus deserves its own round of applause. It is equipped with an intelligent energy management setup that optimizes power use based on the task at hand. Whether it is lifting something heavy or simply standing by, Optimus ensures it sips power efficiently. In low power mode, it can remain functional for up to 2 days. That is 48 hours of stand-by time before needing a recharge. When Optimus is active, Tesla says it uses 30% less energy compared to competing humanoid robots. For normal movements, it draws about 100 watts per hour, and for more demanding tasks, it may reach around 400 watts. For a humanoid machine, that is about as energy efficient as it gets. Now imagine Optimus handling package deliveries autonomously. No more waiting for a human to shuffle goods from point A to point B. Tesla even says this could cut costs significantly, meaning massive savings simply by letting this robot do the heavy lifting in your warehouse. Whether it is outperforming, outlasting, or outright outsmarting other robots, Optimus delivers an incredible combination of intelligence, strength, and battery endurance that puts competitors far behind. At under $20,000 for a robot that works nearly 24 hours on a single charge, it feels like a true versatile genius. So, how is Optimus's processing speed superior? Picture having a robot that responds faster than your Wi-Fi connection. Tesla's Optimus reacts to tasks in a blazing 20 milliseconds. That is faster than any other humanoid robot right now, thanks to next-generation AI and powerful onboard processing. For comparison, the Atlas robot comes in at 50 milliseconds. Optimus is faster by 30 milliseconds, making Boston Dynamics look as if it is moving through heavy syrup. Honda's Asimo, although iconic, operates at 30 milliseconds, which is 1.5 times slower than Optimus. And SoftBank's Pepper runs with a lag of about 100 milliseconds, making it noticeably slow during interactive tasks. But speed is not the only strength Optimus brings. The robot is powered by a neural network with 175 billion parameters, leaving most AI systems far behind. On top of that, its mobility is incredible. Optimus features a full-body design with more than 200 degrees of freedom, including 22 degrees of freedom in its hands alone, powered by 6 microactuators. Elon has even said he expects Optimus to thread a needle by the end of the year. When it comes to heavy lifting, Optimus can easily handle up to 150 pounds, taking care of tough chores around the house or yard without breaking a sweat. Speaking of its hands, each of Optimus's arms features 22 degrees of freedom and can manage a 10-kilogram payload. It has a 1.0 millimeter reach, so it can stretch out and grab exactly what you need. Whether it is picking up a dumbbell or helping you open a stubborn jar of pickles, the hands are designed to mimic the dexterity of human fingers, making them ideal for handling complex and delicate tasks. Walking on 2 legs is no problem for this machine. Tesla's Optimus uses dynamic stability algorithms to balance itself and walk like a human. Whether it is navigating a cluttered living room or an icy driveway, Optimus adjusts in real time. That is right, this robot learns on the fly using reinforcement learning. You will not need multiple robots for different tasks like vacuuming, shoveling snow, or even assisting with homework. Optimus learns and adapts to your lifestyle, reducing the need for extra machines and saving you serious money in the long run. We have already seen evidence of this. At Tesla's 2023 shareholder meeting, Elon revealed a sneak peek of Optimus in action. The robot navigated, perceived its surroundings, and picked up objects as if it had done it for years. The team is using a neural network strategy similar to Tesla's full self-driving system, allowing Optimus to learn and adapt to new environments in real time. And just when it seemed like it could not get any cooler, Tesla released a new video showcasing Optimus's next-generation design. This version features advanced actuators and sensors, walks faster, and has even more capable hands. These upgrades allow Optimus to complete tasks more efficiently and adapt quickly to new surroundings, proving that this robot is learning fast and evolving even faster. Tesla is also ramping up training by placing Optimus in real-world environments, using data collected from its massive fleet of vehicles. Yes, all that information flowing in from Tesla cars will help Optimus better understand human spaces and even adapt to cultural differences around the world. Optimus is about to get worldly. Take the southern United States, for example. In Texas, hospitality is practically a way of life. People value warmth, friendliness, and classic Southern charm. Optimus will be programmed to greet family and guests with a bright smile and a cheerful howdy, you are welcome. It will even adopt a soft Southern tone, making it approachable and friendly. In the kitchen, Optimus can lend a robotic hand, whipping up dishes like gumbo or barbecue. It can learn local recipes and cooking techniques, helping you perfect that brisket for the next family gathering. It can also assist during community barbecues or church events, reflecting the close-knit spirit that defines the South. Now, let us hop over to the Northeast, where life moves faster and communication is more direct. Optimus will understand that here, a simple nod or quick "hey" gets the point across. In a place where everyone is constantly on the move, meals need to be quick, healthy, and space-efficient. Optimus will know how to prepare speedy dishes like salads or stir-fry, perfect for compact New York apartments. Navigating small spaces will not be an issue. With advanced sensors, Optimus can maneuver through tight areas with ease. The real challenge comes from busy city life. Whether squeezing into a packed subway car or moving through crowded streets, Optimus must master the rhythm of urban environments. Thanks to precision sensors and a 99% obstacle avoidance capability, it can glide through crowds effortlessly, dodging everything from strollers to street vendors like a true professional. Optimus does not just perform tasks. It interacts with emotion. It is designed to recognize and respond to emotional cues so that human interaction feels natural. Ever seen a robot mimic human emotions? Optimus is stepping into that world. The AI behind it is tuned to read subtle shifts in human behavior and feelings, which means Optimus could become surprisingly good at interacting like one of us. Think about it. If AI can think and react independently, we are staring at a future where robots may begin to display a form of self-awareness. So, how is Tesla Bot's battery technology superior? Tesla's latest battery system for Optimus is nothing short of a powerhouse. Its energy density reaches an incredible 300 watt-hours per kilogram, far beyond the industry average of 200 watt-hours per kilogram. What does that mean? Longer run time without adding extra weight. Optimus keeps going and going without constant charging breaks. Those advanced actuators we discussed earlier do more than enhance agility. They also reduce power consumption. Linear actuators are highly efficient, lowering the robot's energy demands while making its limbs lighter and easier to maneuver. Everything works together like a finely tuned machine. If you open Optimus's chest, you will find rows of battery cells inside. These are the same Panasonic 2170 cells used in Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. They are compact, energy-dense, and perfect for packing maximum power into minimal space. Since energy efficiency is crucial for robotics, these cells allow Optimus to stay active longer and spend less time tethered to a charger. After all, if these robots are built to outperform humans, they cannot be sitting at charging docks all day. Speaking of charging, Optimus holds a major advantage. Thanks to Tesla's advanced fast charging technology, Optimus can fully recharge in about 1 hour. Boston Dynamics robots, on the other hand, require about 4 hours. More work, less waiting. These batteries are also built for endurance. With over 5,000 charge cycles, Optimus can operate for roughly 10 years with minimal degradation. Compare that to typical consumer devices that last around 2,000 cycles, and you have a robot built for the long haul. It is like owning a legendary battery that refuses to quit. So how does Optimus charge? Optimus features wireless charging. Simply set it onto a compatible pad, and it powers up automatically. No cords, no plugging, no hassle. It is the kind of convenience we wish existed for everything. Many believe Tesla may integrate the charging surface beneath the robot's feet, so Optimus simply steps onto a pad, stands there, and charges while waiting for its next task. But there is more. Optimus may also support solar charging. Picture the robot standing outdoors, drawing energy from sunlight and gaining up to 5 extra hours of runtime on a bright day. If work takes place outside, there is no need to worry. Optimus taps into renewable power like a futuristic, eco-friendly assistant. Tesla's sustainability vision continues with its materials too. Optimus is made using recyclable components, making it not only intelligent and powerful, but environmentally mindful as well. Tesla also plans to introduce dedicated charging hubs, where multiple Optimus units can charge simultaneously. These stations will deliver up to 100 kilowatts of power, rapidly energizing an entire fleet. Imagine rows of Optimus robots powering up together and heading back to work almost instantly. That is efficiency at its best. Now, how does Tesla's Optimus go beyond housework? Tesla Bot is not just a household helper. It has far more ambitious roles. Its adaptability makes it ideal for rescue missions. With advanced sensors and actuators, Optimus moves through dangerous and unpredictable environments with confidence. In disaster scenarios where debris, flooding, or unstable terrain present serious risk, Optimus becomes a true lifesaver. Whether it is clearing rubble, scouting dangerous areas, or supporting responders, Tesla Bot proves that it is capable of far more than sweeping floors. It is like an American-style Swiss Army knife of robotics, ready to take on whatever challenge is thrown its way. The design of Tesla Bot is no joke when it comes to harsh conditions. Whether maneuvering through wreckage or wading through flood zones, this machine is engineered for resilience. Using its sophisticated sensors, Optimus can collect vital environmental data, helping rescue teams make smarter, faster decisions. It acts as a tireless robotic scout, always alert, always ready to assist. When disaster strikes, timing matters. By handling the heavy lifting, Optimus allows human responders to focus on critical decisions and caring for those in need. Unlike us humans, who require food, water, and rest, this robot does not need breaks. It can operate around the clock, delivering essential services for as long as necessary. Take the Midwest floods from last year, for example. Torrential rain caused massive flooding across states like Illinois and Iowa, damaging homes, roads, and infrastructure. Optimus could have been right there in the middle of it, navigating submerged neighborhoods to deliver emergency supplies, assist with evacuations, and assess structural damage to support recovery efforts. It would be like having a disaster relief superhero on standby. Consider the Texas winter storm of February 2021. Brutal cold led to power outages, water shortages, and widespread chaos. As ordinary people, standing outside shoveling snow non-stop is simply impossible. But Optimus, it would be more than ready. Whether clearing snow where it is needed or monitoring property without sleeping or losing focus, this robot becomes a tireless winter companion. And then there are the California wildfires from last year. Those devastating blazes scorched thousands of acres, destroyed homes, and displaced entire communities. Optimus, equipped with highly fire-resistant materials, would have been prepared. Its outer structure and actuated systems are engineered to withstand extreme temperatures between 200 and 300 degrees Celsius, or roughly 392 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. While humans must remain at a safe distance, Optimus could assist with evacuations, transport water and supplies to firefighters, and assess damage in areas too dangerous for people to enter. Think of it as a fearless robotic firefighter, ready to go where others cannot. There is still much to discover about the potential of Optimus, and its journey closely mirrors the path Tesla took with self-driving cars. Tesla must build many units, deploy them in real-world environments, and allow them to learn through experience. Just like autopilot, Optimus may make mistakes along the way. However, every lesson learned brings us one step closer to success. So what do you think of Elon's remarkable creation? Would you want an Optimus bot in your life to make daily tasks easier and safer? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. We hope this episode brought you a sense of curiosity and relaxation. If you enjoyed it, please press the like button and join the Tesla Carrot community by subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell and you will never miss any of the exciting videos coming your way. Your time and feedback are genuinely appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Until then, take care and God bless. Goodbye.